Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air compressors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT hand-carry air compressor with wheels. Normally, an air compressor of 70 to 110 psi is enough for roofing nailer operation. This unit from DEWALT produces up to 225 psi so that you can run multiple nailing guns to speed up your work. You can use 3 framing nailers or 2 roofing nailers with starving for air power. All you need is a 300 psi hose to run this compressor. I can't explain how convenient this compressor is to drag around in the job sites and store when not in use. To carry this 80 pounds air supplier, a collapsible handle and no flat foam tires are included. Lift it, or roll it wherever you need. This compressor needs to be laid flat during use, but the power cord is too short for its job. Don't worry, a simple 15 amp extension cord is enough to make this beast reach anywhere. For professional contractors, construction companies and remodelers all are kept in consideration while designing this machine. Even after a long day at the construction site, its 78 dBA noise will not bother you much. This one is a bit pricey than most other models on the market, but for professional use, this one is the best pick. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita air compressor for roofing nail gun. For a more budget-friendly, yet reliable option, this Makita Mac 2400 is worth a try. It is not like the DEWALT's no-maintenance air compressor. In fact, this one is oil lubricated and needs to change or add oil from time to time for smooth operation. This type of air compressor is best due to its temperature control and noise-free and vibration-free operation. Yes, this air compressor from Makita provides a full force to run 2 nailers in a row without creating loud noise and vibration. The only problem with oil-based compressor is, in freezing weather the natural oil tend to freeze the unit and it just doesn't want to start. There is a solution for it, just replace the oil with a synthetic type oil. The machine should not have any problem. This unit is very heavy. It is not as much transport friendly as our top pick, DEWALT compressor. It can be lifted by one man, but difficult to move up and down on the stairs. Besides, it is recommended not to use any extension cord. You should take into consideration these facts. Does your job site support use this model? If not, check out the next reviewed air compressors on this list. At number 3, we have the Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Air Compressor Kit, 8-gallon capacity. A whole air compressor kit by Campbell Hausfeld available at a crazy affordable price. Though we are reviewing air compressor to use with roofing nailer, this unit allows you to operate nailing gun as well as staples. A more versatile option for someone who runs both. For being a no-oil compressor, this machine is surprisingly quiet. It is a no-maintenance type for the same reason. The only problem with this kit is, it is not backed by a reliable warranty. In my experience, if the compressor decides to last, it lasts for ages. If not, then you will have all the accessories, but will require to purchase a new compressor. However, for this reason, for small projects like repairing the roofing occasionally, this one is a wise choice for every homeowner. For professional use, it has a large capacity tank, but it lacks the durability for heavy use. At number 2, we have the Ingersoll-Rand-Twin-Stack Air Compressor for roofing, decking and trimming. If durability is your concern, then this air compressor from Ingersoll-Rand should be your choice. The cast iron tank, knobs, gauges, and couplers, everything is taken care of to be the best quality so that this unit wins the test of time. Don't get deceived by the advertisements that say this is lightweight and portable. It weighs over 80 pounds, so there is no way it is lightweight or portable. However, a durable and high-capacity air compressor should not be lightweight. If it is, then the quality is questionable. But one this is for sure, this unit could be designed in a way so that it can be easily maneuverable. If you want to know if this machine is alright to use with roofing nailers? Then yes, not only roofing, trimming, framing, decking, everything you fix up using a nail gun can be operated with this. It is an oil-based machine and uses synthetic oil. This oil is useful to use even in the freezing conditions when petroleum-based lubricants give out. Be prepared to deal with the noise and vibration it creates. It is a side effect of a powerful air compressor. I can't say it is a disadvantage, but I must warn you about it beforehand. And finally at number 1, we have the PorterCable low-cost Pancake compressor. Though the Pancake-style air compressors have lost the charm it used to have before the arrival of the modern air compressors, we can't deny these are more budget-friendly, lightweight and holds more air. Yes, apart from all these advantages, only loudness, vibration, and some other factors have reduced its sell considerably. So, these are the negatives of this model. It is loud and creates vibration, but the machine itself does not vibrate, it just causes the floor underneath to vibrate. The noise problem can be solved by proper air protection, but it is not suitable for use in a decent neighborhood. This machine weighs half of the other compressors of this list and priced half as well. This is well balanced, you won't feel the weight even while carrying it with on hand to lift it several floors up. The only thing is, the operating system is Jurassic aged and the instructions are horrible. Other than that, this is the cheapest one can buy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.